So yeah, welcome to our story time, and we do have a fun book for you. Actually, I guess I'll let me show you the book that we have. It's called Round Like a Ball, and we are going to put pictures up on the screen of this book. But I just wanted to show you the inside of the book. It's a little hard to see in a picture. What I want to show you is that there are some holes in the pages. Have you ever seen a book with holes in the pages? Look, I'm sticking my finger through. And as we go through the book, those holes get bigger and bigger. I don't want to give away what happens in the book, but let me see. Let me show you this. Like you can see this page, there's a bunch of holes going all the way through. So I just wanted you to notice that there are holes in the pages. And then also there's a page where there's a fold out, and I'll show you a picture of that, but I'm not going to show it to you right now because it'll kind of, this book is sort of a guessing game, and I don't want to give away the answer. So let me bring up our slides. Give me just a moment. Here we go. Okay, so welcome to Astronomy at Home story time from the Astronomical Society of the Pacific. And I hear some of you are here for the first time. Some of you know about us at the ASP. We are all about astronomy, so stuff that you can see up in the sky like stars and the moon and planets. And we have been doing this story time for a while now, and this is what we do. We pick a book that is somehow related to astronomy or space. We're going to read a storybook, the one I just showed you, and then we try an activity. And actually today, we invited you, if you wanted to bring some kind of object that you found in nature that you could share with us afterwards. So that's our activity for today, is kind of a show and tell of nature objects. And then there's at the end, there's also times for questions and sharing. And as we said, we're recording right now. Just my face and maybe Teresa's face will be in that recording. What we're going to do is today a little bit different. We'll read the book. We're going to tell you about what we're doing next month, and then we'll stop the recording, and then you can do your show and tell, and only people who are here now will see you. It won't be in the recording. Okay? Whoops. I showed you. I'm going to stop sharing for a minute. So we're, like I said, today we're reading the book Round Like a Ball. I didn't have a picture in my slides of the cover of the book, so I want you to see the cover. And it says, wet, cold, hot, dry, what in the world is round like a ball? So this book is a guessing game. So let's look inside the book. So here's the title page, Round Like a Ball by Lisa Campbell Ernst. And there's a dedication over here. Let's play a guessing game. I'm thinking of something that is round like a ball. I love balls, barked the dog. My dog loves balls also. Do any of you have a dog? Yeah? Oh, good. Yeah, I have a dog too. My dog's name is Bubba. And my dog Bubba loves to play with balls. I wonder what it is that's round like a ball. Wait, here's another clue. It's round like a ball and it's quite beautiful. Is it a fancy pearl? Asked the sister. See, the sister is wearing a pearl necklace, and pearls are round like a ball, right? And they're beautiful. Good guess, but it's not a pearl. It's round like a ball and has many, many colors. Ooh. I know, it's a gumball machine, guessed the brother. Have you ever seen a gumball machine? They're these they're balls of gum that you can chew in your mouth, and they're big and colorful. And sometimes they're machines where you can put a coin in and a gumball comes out. No, it's not a gumball machine. It's round like a ball and it's always moving. Always moving. Maybe it's a ball for juggling, guessed the mom. No, it's not a ball for juggling. It's round like a ball and it nourishes us. Do you know what nourish means? It means it gives us it gives us nutrition and calories and things like that. Food nourishes us, helps us grow healthy and strong. Is it a berry? Asked Dad. Oh, look, it looks like he's looking at some blueberries. And blueberries are round like a ball, too. They're kind of small. Who likes blueberries? I had some blueberries for breakfast. Let's see. I wonder if it's a berry. No, it's not a berry. Here's another clue. It's round like a ball and is hot and cold. So it's hot and cold. It's ice cream, yelled the cousins. Ooh, I love ice cream. Who likes ice cream? Oh, it's my favorite. No, it's a matzo ball, said Grandma. Oh, have you ever had matzo ball soup? Oh, that's so yummy. Yeah, I've had that before at Passover at a friend's house. That would be a pretty good meal, matzo ball soup and then ice cream for dessert. Let's see. Good guesses, but it's not ice cream or a matzo ball. It's round like a ball and is wet and dry. Wow, how can it be wet and dry? A fishbowl, meowed the cat. Oh, look. The fish thinks that it's a fish, or the cat thinks it's a fishbowl. I bet the cat wants to get those fish. No, it's not a fishbowl. Here's another clue. It's round like a ball and is surrounded by air. Is it a balloon? Asked Grandpa. Ooh, I wonder if it's a balloon. Balloons are round and they're full of air, right? Now, I'm going to stop sharing these pictures because I made a mistake and left a page out, but I don't want you to miss all the clues. So I'm going to show you this page. Here's the next page. No, it's not a balloon. It's round like a ball and is hard and strong. Ooh, hard and strong. I think it's a rock, said the ant. Looks like she's hiking with the dog who likes the balls. And there's lots of rocks. All right, let's see. Go back to the pictures of the pages. Here we go. No, it's not a rock. It's round like a ball and must be handled with care. It could be a bubble, said the uncle. Oh, I love blowing bubbles. Has anyone been blowing bubbles this summer? That's so fun. They're so beautiful. They would float away. I like to try to pop them with my finger. Do you think it's a bubble? Find out. Oh, it's not a bubble. Here's the last clue. Okay, let's see if we can guess. It's round like a ball and home to us all. What do you think? What's round like a ball and home to us all? You can kind of see it here. Any ideas? You ready to see the answer? It's the Earth, right? The Earth is very big and it is round like a ball, and that's where we all live. Oh, wow. So this is the part where there's some fold out flaps. Here, I'll show you. Oh, wait, not yet. It's the page after this one. Everyone celebrated because we got the answer. Yay! Yay! Look, everyone there is so happy. All the different members of the families and the dog and the cat, maybe even the fish in that fish bowl. The Earth is beautiful and always moving. And this is where the book, if you can see me, there's some flaps that I'm going to fold out. You see these flaps? But I have some pictures of them so you can see them better. It's hard to see on my little camera. So the Earth is beautiful and always moving, right? It's moving through space, and it's also spinning while it does that. The Earth is every color of the rainbow, right? We see all kinds of beautiful colors here on Earth. And then we fold out the flap. It says the Earth is both hot and cold, right? Sometimes it's wintry cold. Sometimes it's very, very hot in the desert. It's wet and dry, right? The oceans are wet. The land is dry. The Earth nourishes us all. It's hard and strong, but it's also fragile and needs to be handled with care. The Earth is round like a ball. And then on the last page, it says, you can help take care of the Earth. Here are some ways. You can recycle plastic, glass, metal, cardboard, paper. Who has a recycling bin at home? Maybe in your kitchen? I do. You can plant flowers in your garden that will attract butterflies and bees. Anyone have flowers growing in your yard or in a park near you? Yeah. I don't have a yard. I live in an apartment, but I have a park near me that has lots of beautiful flowers. You can use refillable water bottles and avoid bottled water. Turn off the water while you're brushing your teeth. Everyone brush their teeth this morning or last night? You can give away your clothes and toys that you're not using anymore so they can be recycled or reused. Turn off the lights and the TV and other electronics when you leave the room. You can pick up litter in your neighborhood. Sometimes I do that when I go to the beach. I'll bring a bag with me, and if I find any litter, I'll put it in the bag so I can put it in the trash so it doesn't go into the ocean. And so these are some things you can do to help take care of the Earth, our home that's round like a ball. All right, so that's our story. And in a moment, we'll do our show and tell. But first, I want to tell you about next month of our Astronomy at Home story time. So next month actually is going to be our last story time, at least for a while. And that's because school's starting and some people are spending more time in person. For a while, we've had to all stay home and be on Zoom. But some of us are getting back together. So next month will be our last one for a while. And we're really excited. We're going to read the book Stars, which was written by Mary Lynn Ray and illustrated by Marla Frazee. I'm not sure how to say her name. I'll have to look that up. And that's on August 24th at 11 a.m. Pacific, same time as this one. You can find out the details at astrosociety.org/storytime. And you're welcome to email us at storytime@astrosociety.org. So If you want to join us next month, go to that webpage, and that's where you can get the details and sign up. And we hope you'll join us then. I'll also say that we're going to, after we read the story book called Stars, we're going to learn a couple of songs about stars that we created here at the ASP. So they're original songs about stars. All right, so there's our story. Thank you for joining us for that. And I'm going to, for anyone watching the recording, I'm going to say goodbye and stop the recording. Thanks for joining us. But you who are here right now, stick around.